Restroom cleaning routines must include a clear procedure for handling cleaning supply shortages so standards do not slip. When you find a shortage, stop and take a rapid inventory of what is missing and what remains so you can plan the rest of the shift without guessing. Communicate the shortage immediately to your supervisor or the client and state exactly which items and quantities are needed and when resupply is required. If protocol allows, carry a small kit of universal supplies such as multi-purpose cleaner, disposable wipes, gloves, and toilet bowl cleaner to bridge gaps until full resupply arrives. Prioritize tasks that require the missing items and shift to activities that can be completed with available materials such as surface wiping, trash removal, mirror and fixture polishing, and restocking consumables like soap and paper if you have extras. Record the shortage in the inventory log or digital tracking system with timestamp and the corrective action taken so trends can be identified and future orders adjusted. If shortages are frequent, propose a minimum par level for each essential item and a reorder lead time to your supervisor so procurement can place orders before critical low points. Common problems include discovering shortages mid-job, which delays service, so keep a compact emergency kit and perform a quick inventory at the start of each shift to avoid surprises. A second issue is poor communication, which leads to repeated shortages, so create a simple reporting routine and update the log and notify the responsible person as part of handover. Finally, teams sometimes try to substitute inappropriate products, which can damage surfaces or void warranties. So only use products listed on the facility cleaning chart. And when a substitution is unavoidable, test a small, inconspicuous area and note the change for the client. We run bighomeprojects.com, and we help homeowners connect with local contractors who can supply or recommend reliable cleaning services and products. We host a discussion community where members share practical experiences and vendor recommendations to help both homeowners and contractors find work and manage supply challenges.